My little tiger. Hi, baby shark. I'm so hungry. Really? You can bake some breads for me? Hold on. Wow, baby shark, did you make all of this? Awesome. First, I'm going to go for a pie.
Heart, diamond, star. Heart, diamond, star.
A pie pops up. I can't wait to eat. Cookie is always good. It's cookie time.
Can you find the diamond? This is a star. Can you find the star?
Black dots on the cookie are chocolate chips. Now I'm heading to brownie. I sit in a brownie. My mouth is full of chocolate flavor. Uh-oh. Don't forget donuts. It's a classic. Donuts have round shape and a hole in the middle. I like the shape. I got 2 donuts. Uh-oh. Watch out. Baguette. Crispy outside, soft inside. When I eat baguette, I feel like I'm in Paris. I don't like to spread jam on a bread. A bread is so fluffy, I can jump on the bread. Last one. It's a food for celebrate someone, like birthday. It is cake. Who wanna throw the birthday party? Bonus time. Have you ever heard about rolling pin? Rolling pin looks like a long stick. You can use it when you roll the dough.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let's roll it.
Little buttons.
8 little pencils.
How was it today? Are you full? Hope you had a good time with me. See you next time.
Surprise!
Look at the house.